Want to remove your Facebook cover photo? Let's learn how to delete it using your iPhone. Hi, I'm Suyog from Online Help Guide, and in this video, I will show you how to delete your Facebook cover photo on your iPhone. So let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your iPhone. Go to your Facebook profile by tapping on the profile option from the bottom of your screen. Tap on the camera icon at the bottom right corner of your cover photo. Tap on the See Cover Photo option. Here, you can find the three dots option at the top right corner of your screen. Tap on it. Tap on the Delete Photo option. Finally, tap on the Delete option to confirm and delete your Facebook cover photo. And this is how you can delete your Facebook cover photo on iPhone. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.